Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be baking a healthy apple cake with almond flour. First, let's preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This cake uses very simple ingredients. So here I have 3 chopped apples. So I already chopped them before making the video. I didn't peel them. If you'd like, you can peel them, but I don't mind apple peel, so it's less work. You also need 4 eggs, a 1/4 cup of honey, or you can use any other sweetener, such as Splenda or any sugar-free sweetener. You can use regular sugar, you can use maple syrup, or you can just leave it out altogether. We also need 1¼ cup of almond flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So I'm going to start off by cracking 4 eggs in a bowl. So here's 4 eggs, and next I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of honey. And now I'm going to whisk eggs and honey together. And next I'm going to add 1¼ cup of almond flour. So here's 1 cup. I'll add another 1/4 cup. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And now I'm going to mix everything together. And once everything is combined, let's add the apples. And mix together to combine. So now the cake batter is ready. So I'm going to prepare my baking pan. So this is a 9-inch round baking pan. It's non-stick, and I'm also going to spray the bottom and side with a non-stick cooking spray to make sure that nothing sticks. And now let's add the batter to the baking pan. And now let's put it in a preheated 400-degree oven. Now it's done cooking, so I'm going to take the cake out of the oven. Look at this delicious apple cake. It looks amazing. Now let it cool on the counter for 5 minutes. This apple cake looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let me just cut a piece. Look at that. It looks so good and it's so healthy too, with all these apples and almond flour. Now, let's try it. Delicious. This cake is going to make a perfect breakfast or dessert. So healthy and tasty, you're going to love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!